Do you want to stop the annoying Siri suggestions on the lock screen? I am getting Notes app and other apps as well on it. Launch the Settings app on iPhone, and scroll to Apple Intelligence and Siri. For Apple Intelligence not supported on iPhone, scroll to Siri Settings only. Now, scroll down slightly and turn off the toggle for Make Suggestions in Search, Home Screen, and Lock Screen. This is useful for situations such as sharing or when you want to listen to media. However, if you are still receiving app notifications, such as Notes, I recommend disabling them for specific apps in the app settings. Tap on Apps and search for an app, like Notes. Disable the toggle under the suggestions, the setting for stop Siri from showing suggestions on the lock screen. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for updates on new free tech guide videos.